Now what this is a two-piece protective case that you would put on your Switch, especially if you're using it as a kind of like a mobile type device. Here's the package. It has 2 grip covers, a travel protective case, a console case, and a user manual. It's portable, has a kickstand, dock compatibility, magnetic ring, and 12 game slots. There's all of the different game slots right here. I do have a game. I have the Contra Operation Galuga, which is an awesome game. Actually, I think it's in the system. So we'll go ahead and we'll try the game holder out and see how well this works. Let's check that out. Wow, that worked out great. Look how that game mount just mounts in there. It has a nice kind of finger hole to put the grips on. So they're labeled. You got the L right there, and they have a gnarl type grip to them. So let me go ahead and take that one off. I have these little kind of covers on there, and the way this works is you're just going to have the trigger mounted down in there like that, and it snaps into place. That is it, everybody. This thing is on there just like that. You guys see that? I can still access the triggers, no problem at all. Puts it back on the Switch. So now there's a hand grip on the back right there. Notice how that one, I really don't like the way the Switch handles just by itself. There's nothing back there for my hands. So we'll go ahead and put the other one on there too. We'll take this one off. So the way you're going to put the backing plate on here, it just lines straight up like that. Line the corners up, and then it just pops right on there. Everything's on there nicely like that. You can see now you've got a large kickstand just like that. Pop the game Joy-Cons back on. That's it. We are ready to go. Now, if you need a protective case, check this thing out. Just locks on it just like this. Look at how nice. That's one of the best protective cases I've ever seen. Has a rubber grip back there, locks down like that. You're not going to break it coming out of this thing. I love the fact that it protects the screen. That's solid. Has the open logo right there to open it up. Just lift one up there, pops right off. And now we can use it just like that. Look at that. Nice. And then if I want to pick it back up, that has such a solid feel to it, the way those grips feel. That really holds on there nicely. This is such a great game too. If you guys haven't picked up this Contra yet, it's one of my favorite games. It kind of mixes the old school with new school. Has such a great like playability to it to be able to pick up, play for a little while, put back down, and it's good to go. That's the type of games I need, is the ones where I don't have to sit here and play them, you know, for hours and hours trying to figure out where to go and all that. So you still have access to your game slot right there. You have access to your USB-C right there, your headphone jack. The vents are open. The only thing is, I guess your sync button, you probably have to use something to get your sync. But look how I can access the volume. Volume knobs work great. The on and off power, oh, I just paused it. Yeah, so the power slot works. You can dock it with this case on there because of how thin it is. I'm not worried about it. It won't get stuck down in there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, Switch 2 protective case. See you on the next video.